down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, everybody. What's up? What's up? Guess what's up? The market's up. Index futures. Look at the NASDAQ. Unbelievable. Kaboom. Kaboom everywhere. Unbelievable. All right. Okay. All right. What's going on, everybody? Hey, Jennifer, Schultze, David T, S&Ps, NASDAQ. Unbelievable. Intel up another 4 after hours. Google, Amazon. What a cover at 350, 250 on Amazon. All right. We got Amazon up, kaboomed here. We got, I said Microsoft would be down. Meta would be up. I was wrong on that one, but I thought Google and Amazon would be up. So I guess I'm 2 for 4. All right. How are you, everybody? What's up, gang? P-Long, ICT. Son of Wall Street, AO, DigiCap. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Anybody new here tonight? Microsoft's up. Where? Microsoft's down. Microsoft was up from 417. What do you mean Microsoft's up? I see negative. Okay. Okay. Which is higher? 425, which is higher than 424. Well, I don't know about that. I'm talking highs here. All right. There goes the gold pushing up. Gold up 11. Look at this Intel. Unbelievable. Okay. Unbelievable. All right, let's just wait till 8 o'clock here. You got the wow, unbelievable. What happened? The NASDAQ was trading 27,100. Google has lifted the market right up. Look at this. Going to gap up here. Let's see what the NASDAQ's going to do here. Let's go look at the NASDAQ here on the daily charts. I just don't. Okay. NASDAQ, 1,000 point. Look at this. So 26,252. Oh boy. And they're off at Belmont. There goes the NASDAQ. You could look to take scalp shorts here. 27,568, 65 up to probably you go 65 up to like even. S&Ps, you can take scalp shorts here if you like, anywhere from the 95 and a 95 and a half up to the 01.5. Gold, I'd short some gold here, 79 up to 87. Okay, just start scalping some shorts here. There goes the NASDAQ, right back up, 71. Okay. Let's see, the NASDAQ's up, look at it, 666. There's the famous number there. Oil, kabooshed. Oil. Oh, please. I want oil to get up to 1. At a baseball game, can't until later. Have a great trading. All right. Look to cover some. There goes the gold drop. Wow. What a drop. S&Ps, look to cover S&Ps below 65. NASDAQ got cover scalps below 94. Okay, to the moon. Hey, Keith. How are you, brother? I saw it. I saw it. All right. Look at the gold. What happened with my oil? Oh, my God, my oil. NASDAQ, S&P, not yet. That's true. Raffle, look at that short in oil. Look at that short in gold. Good Lord. Wow. Good job, Moon Boy. Good job. Good job, everybody. Straight up to the moon. This is insane. Absolutely, Stephen. But insanity is what we love. And tomorrow, Apple, Caterpillar, WDC, and SanDisk. All right. There goes the S&Ps dropping, NASDAQ dropping. Again, you're making new highs, non-confirmations on the 5. You get the short?
Yep.
Okay. All right, good. Just scalp it. Very simple.
Just go flat.
There you go. Just trade it. Go small, go wide, whatever. Right? Small and wide, wide and small. NASDAQ, beautiful. Beautiful. Iceman, what's up? Good job, Iceman. You can't figure it out. I hope this oil goes to 120. I want to short the USOs in the worst way and just hold them. I just really want to hold them. Pump it up. Let's see what SanDisk is doing after hours here. Oh, there you go. Nice. Up 30. If this thing beats earnings tomorrow, look out. Now, SanDisk is going to beat earnings because if you look at STX, they beat earnings here. All right, 653. Beautiful. What a day in this one. Anybody short that gold? Good evening. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? I didn't short CAT because the earnings are coming out tomorrow. Okay, I'll just wait for the earnings. How about this stock, BE? 25% short interest. Oh, my God. Look at this stock, BE. 20. Car. Remember Car? Avis? What a piece of junk. Look at this thing. Unbelievable. Yep. Unbelievable. Look at this gold. S&P's dropping. NASDAQ dropping. I think the S&Ps, let's see the spiders. Spiders are 713.71. Where's the daily? Okay. Another gap here. More gaps. One more new high. The guy who bought a car at, what was the high? 847.49. He jumped. Hello, everybody. Wow, if split 2 for 1, that'll be good. Right? Penny, come. Stop. Hey, don't give him. What are you doing giving him a bath? Get over here.
Popcorn cheddar on my hands.
Stop eating everybody. Go sit down.
It felt kind of good. It's weird. It's weird that is to say.
It is weird to say. You're right.
My Henny, he wants to eat everybody. All right, gold just dropped 9. NASDAQ can't drop. It will. Got to wait for pullbacks here. Another gap up here. How many gaps can you have here? Love to see this gap get filled. This one, probably not. Jesus. One gap after another gap. Just get down to 7,000. I'll be happy. Can't even do that, right? Can you imagine the S&Ps get to 7,000? They'd have a heart attack. NASDAQ 26,500. And this is all with oil at 107. They don't care about oil at 107. They just don't care. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I guess I guess the what do you call it? And with USOs at all-time high, of course. Absolutely. Everybody welcome. Sold assets. All right. All right. Hey, La Burrito, how are you? Tonight we're going to do 10 raffles. I have no idea who's buying up here, Keith. Not me. All I do is short. All I do is short. But it's okay. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. Tomorrow's what? Tomorrow's Thursday already? Jesus.
Already.
Oh, I think I'm probably about 100 and I think I must have done probably about 110, 115 trades. So just to be, I think I pushed on Intel today. I broke out even on Intel on one trade. And I broke out on even on one, and all the other trades were winners. Everyone was a short. I can't say the word buy. I just can't. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. AMD 248, 348. Oh my God. Unbelievable. All right. S&P's right back up. NASDAQ right back up. That's why you had to take scalp shorts. Oh, let's see here. NASDAQ gets up to the 27,588, maybe up to the 20. I can't believe I'm even saying 27,618. I would just take a short. Take a 20,700 tomorrow. Could be. Could be. Could be. Gaps everywhere. Any reason why? Yeah, you had Google, Amazon up here big. Tomorrow should be a fun day. We'll see. Tomorrow should be a fun day. AMD's up. And yeah, NVIDIA is down, believe it or not. NVIDIA is down. Oh, I love my big fonts, right? So much different. The big fonts. I don't know. Tomorrow will be a good day, right? You got the Fed out of the way. Oil just got cabooshed. Oil's going the wrong way. Of course, we'll move. We'll see. We don't know. We'll move high. We'll see. Don't forget, you got now. If Sanders comes out and blows it open, you're talking NASDAQ could be 28,000. Stop acting like a nut. What happened with you tonight? What? Daddy took good care of you tonight. Anybody new here? Heart attack market, Ian Nichols? Probably. Well, S&P's pushed up. I stayed on the air. We got the short, and then it got absolutely cabooshed. Short oil, baba. I was short. I did not take one long trade in oil today. Every trade was a short. Every trade was a short. Oh, I'm sorry. There was one long on a double blue buy. I apologize. Yeah. Hey, we're working on this Vegas boondoggle. I don't know if you all are interested. We're going to be heading out to Vegas, I think, sometime at the end of July. That'd be really fun. Come out on a Friday, hang out with everybody. Should be really fun. We're looking at some places. Hey, Arias, how are you? Arias, I texted you. I don't know if you saw it or not. Journey, what's going on? NASDAQ stepped in. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I back up? I'm ready, Baba. If you short these NASDAQs at 88, I just looked at this cover between 75.5 and 81.5. Am I up? Am I up or am I down? Can you hear me? Anybody can hear me?
We can hear you.
No, you can hear me because you're in the room. That's not what I'm talking about. I think I'm down.
I can still see you up on YouTube, but I have my sound.
Really?
Okay, John. Anybody can hear me? Okay, thank you. What's that noise?
Okay. We can.
Okay. No, okay.
I have one.
All right.
You're saying something.
Oh, there's music in it.
Oh, you're in the channels.
Oh,
Stages.
the members only has music.
You're in stage. You're in the live stream stage.
All right. NASDAQ just dropped about 8. I don't know about that. Perpetual. I mean, I think there's ways to. Let's see. Can everybody hear me? I'm just asking Aaron. Is the stream working here? I just want to make sure. I don't know if the stream is working or not here. All right. All right. NASDAQ just dropped 10. S&Ps just dropped 2. Thank you, Stu. All right. Thank you, Baba. All right. So what a day I had today. Shorted Seagate, Intel, oil. Thank you, Jason. Jason, how you doing, Jason? What happened, Baba? S&Ps dropped 2. NASDAQ. Anybody short the NASDAQ up there? S&Ps just dropped 2 here. You're going to get a pullback here. Made 954 today, Michael. That's a great job. Good job, Doc Stop Loss. That's a great job. Great job. Scalp shorts, wide entries. Okay. Quantum Wick. How are you? Good job. Tesla finished. Can't get going, poor Tesla. Okay. You broke out. Crypto would have rugged these gaps by now. Salik Cyper, how are you? Ether Shock. Anybody new here? If anybody needs to give me a call or anything, or if anybody wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, we give it out every Monday, but you text me and I email it to you, and you start every Monday. Just text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. All right. Gold acting, I think gold's going down, though. I don't know, Andrew. I'm waiting to hear how Dane is. He's probably in intensive care. And he said that he would reach out to me once he's out of ICU. Yeah, I haven't heard. That's not a gold bear flag. That's a gold bull flag. Matter of fact, I would buy this gold if it gets down to the 60.5, 68.5 range. If it drops, that's a beautiful bull flag on gold. How do you say that's a bear flag? That's a bull flag. AMD up to 60.5 to 68.5. You're right behind me. Let's go. Come on. You gotta be focused. That was a beautiful bull flag on oil. First pullback, right? 15s reverse to buy. 1945 was a pullback, and now this is the second pullback. If you get it, I don't know if you will. Look at this beautiful. Who said gold's a bear flag? Is this does not look like a bear flag to me. This is a bull flag. Okay, this is a bull flag. I don't know. That's not a bear flag. I'll try to show you a bear flag if I can see one here. This is pretty much the bear flag right here. Okay. Oh my God. Where's the scotch? All right. You're asking on the hourly? Oh, if it's on the hourly, it could be deemed a little bit of a bear flag. Yeah, but it had to go up here. Yeah, but not here. If you get one more push up on the 5, possibly. Okay. But remember, if you look at the GLDs here, the underlying ETF, the GLDs are very negative coming in. So gold's up 1. In order for gold to reverse the buy, you need the GLDs to be 422.21. Okay. 422.21. Right. Okay. So that means that tomorrow gold's got to be up $35 minimum. Okay. NASDAQ just dropped, hit the high, 88. I said look to short, 88 up to 18, 92 kabooshed. There you go. Can you imagine if we saw like a really big sharp drop? No, it's just James. No, it's going to be a workshop, a masterclass. Going to be like a cocktail hour on Friday night. Breakfast, 2-3 hour, about 3 hours of in the morning, lunch, and then 3 hours in the afternoon. That's it. Over here. Look at this gold. Oh my God. What a bull flag. Damn. Just ran $8 on the gold. No revenge trade. Who revenge? CPI bullish? I think the CPI is tomorrow. The GDP is tomorrow. Isn't GDP tomorrow? Oh, PCE tomorrow? Eval gone in 2 hours. PCE and GDP, right? 8:30 numbers. Absolutely. I guess you got to cancel the yeah, I think you got to cancel the what do you call it? The gold long, gold buy, yeah. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. NASDAQ to the moon. NASDAQ, you're going to get a pullback. You want to get a pullback on the 5-minute. This is a beautiful bull flag right here. My goodness gracious. Right here. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this beautiful pullback right here. And before all the news happened, right, look what they did. Look what they did. 27,000. They just rallied 500 points. Criminals. Look at this. After hours. Boom. And then Amazon, Google, right? Interested to hear about your compact trading? Oh my God. I should do so much compact. I would sometimes used to be up to 10% of the volume in any given day. It was crazy. You're short NASDAQ at 580? Well, I don't know how you did that. I said 588, but it got up to 92. The game is rigged. But play along. Right? The game is rigged. We don't know that. I need more screens. Where's this Micron? Oof, where's Micron going to be? Boom, 523. You got to play along. Like I told my friend many moons ago, I said, Christopher, you have to think like them. He said, oh my God. Oh my God. He said, that's the greatest bit of information anyone has given me. I said, you got to think like them. Plain and simple. Stu, I know you're a roaring bull. I see what you see, but all I'm looking for is a decent pullback to get long and then push up to 7,500, maybe 7,800. But ultimately, I think there's a lot of problems here. You'll have PE ratios in the high to mid 20s, completely unsustainable. Things are trading at, yeah, I know. I hear you, brother. What did Charlie say, Charlie Munger? Let me just read what he wrote here. Bull markets go to people's heads. If you're a duck on a pond and it's rising due to downpour, you start going up in the world. But you think it's you, not the pond. I have no idea what he's trying. I think Charlie's from the AI. I think that's the internet technology, right? Well, we'll get it. Listen, I've been doing this now for 44 years. Come this August 1st, you don't think I've seen the rug pulled out from like this? Woof, woof. Really? You saw two geese fight? Really? I know they're pretty brutal. I saw geese fight once. Ray, right? Nice to meet you, Ray. I saw like two blow off tops once. I was catnip. I was very blessed. I'm right from day one. Day one, I made some mistakes along the way, but I learned very quickly. That was not a gold bull flag? I think so. That was a gold bull flag right here. 15-minute time frame reversed to buy right here. This was a bull flag right here. What, you don't think getting gold, if you bought gold at 69 and then you sold it at 77, $8 is not a good bull flag on gold? I think so. Nice to meet you, Ray. I think tonight we're going to do something different with the giveaways. I think we're going to go back to the numbers market. We're going to do the numbers. Oh. This gold does not look. This is a bear flag. Wait till this gold rolls over. Oof. This gold can come right down here again. Maybe make a double bottom. I don't know. We got to watch. Could get down to 41.50 again. But you got great support here. Great support. I don't care. You see gold get to 4,000, 40.50, 39.50, 30. If it gets, I would look at the support, 3,500. Forget it. You take the measure move from here to here, you're talking over 6,000. If that ever happens, forget it. Would I think the big buying gold will come? Once these weeklies get oversold. Once these weeklies get oversold. What was low here? 41.50, right? 41.32. Could test that double bottom. I don't know if gold's going to break 4,000. I don't know if gold is going to break 4,000. NASDAQ 7,800. I probably could see 6650 tomorrow, 6650, 67, 20 to 7,700 tomorrow. Is what a bear flag? What gold? This is a bear flag right here. This is a bear flag right here. So we'll just watch it. There goes the gold. Right back up. And look at all this support on the monthly. 4,100, 40. Look at this. Look at this. All the support. I don't think that's going to happen, though, but we'll see. NASDAQ got up to that 788 level again. Actually, 92. That's the second time I hit 92. That's a double top. 92, 92, 50, 92. Yeah, S&Ps could be. Oh, wow. NASDAQ just dropped 15. Good job, Gabriel. Good to be busy, right? Very good to be busy. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Yep, and you're getting sort of overboard here on the 15s, the 30s, and the 60s. So we're just going to wait patiently here. See if this NASDAQ can break through the 27,600. No giveaways yet. No giveaways yet at all. NASDAQ just dropped 17. S&Ps just dropped 1.5. Okay. Oh boy, there goes the NASDAQ. There's 20 down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oversold or overbought? Okay. We got to wait. Why short at all-time highs? Because you have divergences here. You're just taking scalp shorts against the non-confirmations. That's all. You made 1,000 on silver. What did silver do? You went long silver. Silver is still negative on the 30 and 60. I agree. Everything is beautiful till it turns ugly. There goes the NASDAQ making new highs. You got to be careful being short NASDAQ. You're going to get another scalp short here. I think, here we go. I told you, 27. If it gets up to the 27,610, up to 35, I take a scalp short. 668.20. Is that where the Qs are trading? Look at the gold. Gold just rallied $10. That's not a bull flag. That's a bull flag. S&P is going to go through 7,200. Okay. Oh, you got the free trial? Text me. Oh, just dropped 10. Missed it by 3. Stop fighting the bull. Hey, just scalp. What am I do here? What am I supposed to do? Just sit here and just tell stories for 2 hours? Apple's the beat tomorrow? I'm not sure about that. I'm telling you, I think Apple's in trouble. If Elon comes out with this phone, Apple's in trouble. Hey, Raphael, how are you? Go long where? Go long where? You want to scalp off the 3 minute? Then you do it. Go ahead. I don't know. I think he is going to make a phone. I don't know. We'll see. Good for competition. Okay. You think he's going to merge Tesla and SpaceX after the IPO? I don't know how he can do that. That's going to be. Oh, maybe that's why. The board's got to approve that. All right, I canceled the short here. NASDAQ just dropped 14 here. Hey, Jonathan. Man, it's dead tonight. Chairman Powell, adios. Soybeans through the roof. Let's see. Let's see what soybeans are doing. Oh, yeah. Whew. New highs in soybeans. Oh, my God. Go soybeans. Inflation. And they want to cut rates. No, it's not. Oh, that's the weekly. Probably going to get up there again, at least to 16 on soybeans. My God, what a day today. One of my best days in a really great day. I left a lot on the table because Dum Dum was talking it too, but can't, just got to see what things are going to like. Amazon. Google really led the charge here after the bell. Let me see, 275. What's the volume of this thing? 35 million. And look at this again. You want to see something crazy? 41 million shares, no volume. Look at this. 43, 43, 45. I don't think we did. 70 million was right here. 54, 90, 100 million. You're long soybeans? Okay. QQQ 700. Wow. Well, that's and that would be crazy because that's 40 points up. Actually, yeah, about 34 points up. You notice how Papa Trump doesn't talk. You notice how Papa Trump doesn't talk. I think the pullback starts in May, and then I think you get the push up probably sometime in mid-June. You notice how Papa Trump hasn't talked about the stock market and making new highs, right? You see that? Have you guys noticed that? And he watches every tick. I'm telling you, he's on his phone watching every tick. You notice how he hasn't talked about the stock market? I agree with that scenario, Stu. The SpaceX IPO. Well, he cares about the market, though. He talks about the Dow, the S&Ps, right? Short the world. Being on Wall Street, I don't know what that. I would short this NASDAQ small. 27,610 up to the 35 level. Oh, too much money. That IPO right there will make bonuses for people. Bonuses, right? That payout on SpaceX IPO, they'll be living a good summer in the Hamptons. Trust me. Right? Hundreds of millions in fees. Bonuses up the wazoo. Well, I think what? That SpaceX, that the market will, I think the market pulls back in May. I think I'd like to see 1,000, 1,500 point drop and then ricochet right to 30,000 on the NASDAQ. All I'm looking for is a pullback. I'm not asking for much. I'm just looking for an oversold condition, a push up, and then a pullback on the weekly. But trust me, my children, I've been doing this a long time. Okay? These gaps will get filled below. Cover NASDAQ here, even to 10 if you're short. Just trade up to 20. These gaps will get filled. All I want is one pullback. I mean, I've traded 111, 115 trades. I haven't taken the word long once except cover. Get in there, Artan. Get in there. What happened with Papa Trump? What did he just say? Intel stock continues to rise. I'm very proud of that company. That I am responsible for making the United States of America over $30 billion in the last 90 days on the stock alone. If you're up $30 billion, sell some calls. Lock it in, Papa Trump. There are others like that. Likewise, I've been very successful with taking pieces of equity for support. Congratulations to Intel on doing such a great job, and more importantly, congratulations to the people of the United States for making such a good investment. Donald Trump. That's what he posted. Yeah, we'll get it. I got to tell Papa Trump he's got to start selling some calls. Start selling some stock. It's up 4. I might have to send a text. Papa Trump, lock it in. Pay down. Short some NASDAQ here. 20 up to like 45. So you can scalp it I would short. I would tell Papa Trump, short him. What's Microsoft splitting? That came out? Who said that? Hello, Papa Trump? You got 30 billion locked in? Where the hell you think it's going? Sell some calls. Heavy. Sell 10 million calls. Whatever you're long. Hedge it. What gap was this? 2,493 was. Let me go back and look. Now you got me crazy. One too many Qs. Let's see. 95. Let me go to weekly. 95. This is, I gotta go to a daily then. Let's see a daily back in 95 on the Qs, 493. Where are we? This one here? Let me see, 93. Where's the 495 gap? 493 gap he's talking about. This one? That got filled. What month, Stu? NASDAQ, if you sold 20s, just got kabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped May. Anybody short the NASDAQ just dropped 20. Let's see. You got short?
Yep.
All right. May. This one here, 427. Good job, Jennifer. I think you're talking this one here. This one here, you got one here. This is April. Where's May? May. This one here. There's a lot of gaps. 5.9. Jesus. Yeah, but they'll get filled. In my lifetime, they'll get filled. NASDAQ too. How's that too fast? Yeah, I see him. Yeah, I don't care, but they're going to get filled. It's healthy. You want pullbacks like that. When was the last time we had a bear market? Right? COVID 2020. Right? Do you understand they want the market to go up? They'll do anything to make the market go up. Too many people, it's too many jobs, too many pension plans are involved. You cannot fight it. When the market drops and you have big aberrations, just buy an ETF and just forget you have them. Just keep buying, buy them. I told you back in April of last year, March, April. I'm telling you, I swear on a Bible right here. I got a Bible next to me. Put my hand on the Bible. My phone blew up. All the tariff. What do you think? Oh my God, he's ruining the country. Oh my God, what do I do? Do I sell? Everybody freaked out. Go to my Google, go to my X. I said, I buy the world. I said, look at this. They're not breaking 4,800. On Sunday night, they were trading 48.32 when we opened. By around 11 o'clock or 2 in the morning, they were 48.92. And then when we opened up, we were 49.32. 49.32. And I said, I buy the world. We're going to 5,500. Poof. We went right. We went to 5,500, pulled into 5,350. Then Papa Trump said, I would own stocks. And then he said, that's it. Okay? He said, that's it. Enough is enough. Right? And then boom, right through 6,000. Right? Then I actually said 6,500 was my target when it was 5,700, 6,500. People told me I was crazy. But if you go back and look at all the rocket scientists, I'm not going to mention names. I know who they are. Where's Mr. Bull Flag on gold? Gold just rallied 12. Okay? So if you really think of it, right? I can't even tell you. And people I know, okay, we're saying 3,600, 3,800, 2,700. There's Papa. There it is. Right? There it is. This is a great time to buy. Right? Legendary tweet. You know, Papa Trump tweeted me out once during the 2020 October campaign. I was on Stuart Varney and a student asked me a question, and I was honest, right? I didn't pick either candidate. I was very objective. He said, "What do you think of the markets with Papa Trump?" I said, "Well, the markets don't like uncertainty, and they know what they get with Papa Trump: energy independence. You know, no regulations." And I went through a litany of things with Senator Biden. The market doesn't know what he's capable of doing, raising taxes, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. All of a sudden, I get off the air, and Papa Trump tweets me out to 90 million people. I have it. I showed the two guys last night. Yep.
Okay, confirm.
Yep. And he changed the exact words that I said. All right, let's see here. Gold's about to reverse to buy on a 60-minute time frame, so we'll be looking for pullbacks. But if you want to take a scalp short, 84.80. Silver's making new 84.80 up to the 71.80 or 72.80 range. So Papa Trump tweeted me out, and then that night he used me in the Pennsylvania rally. Varney, Stuart, he called me a gentleman. He said, we had a gentleman on today. Okay. Now, gold is up 17 off that bull flag. Okay. And somebody said they would buy me a scotch if that wasn't a bull flag. That's a bull flag. Up 17. So I'll take the Johnny Walker. I'll make it a double with club soda. Right? Remember that? Who tweeted that out? Who just wrote that? If that's a bull flag, I'm buying you a scotch. Right? Blue label? Yeah, maybe I'll go for the blue. Right? Go for the blue. Jonathan. Iceman. That was a beautiful pattern, Iceman. 7,200 on the S&Ps. There you go. Hey, Vaughn, where have you been, my brother? I said 6,500. That's true. Oh, you never sent me the Stuart Varney clip.
Oh, yeah. Let me
How's the matter with you?
My bad. I'm going to put it in the Discord for you.
Yeah. No, not Discord. Just text it to me.
Okay.
I can't find. I was looking for that. I think we make all-time highs tomorrow. Jonathan, how's the new baby? Yeah, I was very neutral. Didn't pick. I don't know if retail really shorts, though. I think retail only knows how to buy. How about Robinhood? Absolutely cabooshed. All right. All right, let's see if we get a nice little pullback here on the 5. Let's see if this gold can drop. Retail's trained to buy. I don't think retail knows how to short. I think retail knows if they buy, the market will always come back. If they short, they think in their mind it's infinity, right? They can lose everything because it's infinity. Whereas, at least they know if they bought Microsoft at $425, they could lose $425, right? But then if you short Microsoft, it can go, right, like you saw Avis. It can go to the moon. It's no ceiling, right? I don't think retail knows how to short. That's just my personal opinion. I just don't think they do. Artan, I hope you're feeling better, brother. I'm going to go out to California and see my buddy. It doesn't matter. All right, let's gold drop to 81, 80 and a half, 84. I look to cover any shorts as this thing drops. It's so slow. You got to wait for a pullback now. The 60-minute reverse is to buy. The strategy is then you look to buy the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame. Ay, ay, ay. Ugh. So names like Google, when you get these pullbacks, GEV, all I want is a pullback on the daily to an oversold condition. Right? What just got cabooshed? What do you think of copper? Let me look. Iceman, can you believe Iceman's looking for a house in Juneau? Iceman will be my neighbor. I'm so freaking excited. I can't believe it. Copper, probably a buy. You're talking short term, intermediate term. I think copper is going to turn. Look at this copper. This is what I'm looking for right here for the NASDAQ and S&Ps. Iceman, look at that. Boom. NASDAQ setting up a bull flag. I like to see it drop a little bit more. Look at the gold drop. Right? Scalp short. Wait for the pullback. Iceman, you see that? I've been calling shorts, Jonathan, on the new highs and non-confirmations. Do you see that? Right there? All right. I think, can you park my trailer? No. I'm not going to park your trailer in my driveway. Iceman, do you see this pattern? You asked me about copper. Okay. And look at the weekly. Okay. So you're going to get one more push up here in copper, but the real pattern in the next 3 to 5 weeks, 7 weeks is going to be, you want this oversold condition right here. Okay. Okay. Good job, Jonathan. Okay, so NASDAQ just dropped 25. NASDAQ die. Mikey Jacques, how about that short at 4 o'clock? 27,400. What a kaboosh. Down to almost 300 points. And then right back up 400. Crazy. Crazy. All right. Gold's dropping here. I would lower your stops if you're short. Okay. Okay, good. Good job, Jonathan. Great job, Jonathan. My water's gone. Wait. You get the receipt?
Yeah.
Just text it to me. Thank you. Where did you find this though?
Me?
Yeah.
I just did a deep search on you and looked up what you were talking about specifically, and it popped up. Is that it?
I think that's it. I
Yeah.
haven't opened it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Tomorrow's trading plan. Rodney. Look at the gold. What dropped? The NASDAQ? NASDAQ just dropped 30. Okay, anybody get the little scalp short there? Okay, everybody sign up for the everybody sign up.
No,
Not yet.
no, it's the end of sign.
Oh, did you sign up?
Mhm.
Nice. So, Steve, do we tell you our numbers now or no? I'm just joking.
Yeah, you can't joke like that.
Sorry.
Now you may get one more push up here. I'm hoping this NASDAQ can just drop like down to the low 80s. See what happens. Where's the sign up? You have to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube. Copper values are widening? Probably. Where do you sign up? Did Denny post to sign up yet? I don't know if you guys signed up for that yet. Look at this gold. Are you short the gold?
No, I'm flatting.
So the answer is no. You're
No, I
right.
oh, I shorted it, but I got out early.
All right. Okay.
Should wait.
Well, no, it's a scalp because you're in a buy disconnect.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, Pedro. Oh, he already posted it, Forex. Now it's closed. Okay. Can I get funded? Bobby Acino, 2266. Look at the oil go. Go, oil. Go. Please get to 115. Sell some big ones.
$109 was the new all-time high for, right? Just focus on this.
All right. Oh my God, this NASDAQ's going to go. Oh my God, this NASDAQ's going to get one more push up here. Just give me a 10 handle drop. I'll be happy. Here we go. Where's the moving average? 60. All right, here we go, NASDAQ. Here we go. Here we go. If this NASDAQ gets down to the probably the 52 to 80, probably the 50 to 80 range, 50 to 82 range, 52 to 82 range. I don't know if it's going to get that low. I'm hoping. I don't know. You want to get a See, these MACDs are negative here now on the 5. It was posted.
If the MACD, so would that mean we'd be looking to short it?
No.
Or to
It means if you get a push up, it should make a lower high. Okay, here comes the NASDAQ pulling in. Here we go, 84. Lauren, that's why you take scalp shorts. 82, here we go. 81 NASDAQ. There goes oil. S&Ps dropped 2. When I think of heaven. NASDAQ just dropped about 40 off the highs. Wow, you still short, Rocky? I would cover some. The 5s are getting oversold here. We'll cover half at least. I hate the word long. I swear to God, I can't stand the word long. I'll be there. I'd sell some NASDAQ here between the 80 and 88 level. Here we go. 80 and 85.
Nice.
80, 88. Stop loss safe. Yeah, but start scaling out of longs. 80 to 88, 85. Can I get funded? What do you mean? Copper. Oh, no.
Okay, I brought my account back up. That's cool.
Bobby, I thought that was you. Oh, my God. My good friend, Bobby Ichino. What's up, my brother? Bobby, you still on Naples? I got to have dinner with you, Bobby. A good man, Bobby Ichino. My good. He's a great guy. Great guy, Bobby Ichino. All right. I saw Bobby Ichino. I said, Bobby, I love it down in Florida, brother, right? I love it down in Florida, right? Bobby's on the West Coast. I'm on the East Coast. I almost bought a house in Naples back in 2001. Naples is beautiful. 5th and 7th Avenue over there. Beautiful. But I love Jupiter. I'm 6 miles from the beach. That's all that matters to me. Bobby made the move before I did. He went from Chicago to Florida. Oh, my God. Good to see you. But I'll call you afterwards. All right. So we got the moves here. Tomorrow should be fun. Amazon, Google. And look at this Western Digital. This stock is a beast. Look up another. Where's this thing going to gap up to tomorrow? Oh, my God. Parabolic. And just to think, right? 238. The thing's doubled. I think that's an easy bet. 27,600. I think that's an easy bet. Oh, I belong in the service. Oh, yes, sir. A nice little bull flag here on the S&Ps here. S&Ps, if they get down to the 91.5, 96.5, could take a long here. Nice pullback. Still way overbought though here, but one more push up, and then you should get pullbacks on the 15 and then the 30-minute time frame. There goes gold. What big move? NASDAQ just plus. So listen, you know, how do you say your name? Oh, that was hysterical. So Tina was driving tonight, and she's been part of our community here. Phenomenal. And all of a sudden, the S&Ps went up, and I don't know, they were moving, they were inching higher, and I said, I take the short at 90 on the S&Ps. NASDAQ 24.4, 27.4, and all of a sudden they stuck up there. They stayed up there for a little bit, right? And then next thing I know, they just got kabooshed, right? Absolutely kabooshed. And Tina's, I think this NASDAQ, you could take it on the long here between the 50, probably the, let's see, 43 to 73 range on the NASDAQ, or 45 to 75. And then Tina writes, oh my God, I had to pull over to take that trade. I've never heard anybody say that. That was absolutely genuine. I loved it. Right? It was precious, really. She went, put the hazards on, started trading from her phone. I know, I love it. Tina's nuts. She says it herself. Oh my God, that's hysterical though. Unbelievable. That is unbelievable. I love that. She had to, on the way from work, and she says she just had to take the short. Oh my God, I love this. That's going in my book. That's going in my book. And she passed the eval. Oh, good job. How do you say your name? Your name, you got every letter in the alphabet. True. Can you read this? True. How do you say this? True Oganda Day 6090. Oh my God. You got every letter. Whatever your name is, can you just tighten it up for me? Because I can't see. Right? Can you just make your name like T6090 or something? Because, and I thank you for being here, but I can't read. Thomas Taylor? You live down here in Jupiter? Oh my God. It's so peaceful here. I tell you, like, look, I'm very blessed in my life, and the first words out of my mouth when I wake up is I say thank God. And I'm a very humble person, and I'm just so blessed. I got my kids live about 4 to 5 miles away from me. I got my Henny. My office is about 6 minutes, and from my office to the beach is about 4 miles. So I'll tell you a funny story. I got a car battery. I had to get a car battery because I think something, I don't know, with the air, and I don't know, something they told me with the air or whatever. And I had the battery maybe about 2 years, and I had to get a new battery. And then about 2 months later, my battery died. So I went to go start the car, whatever, press the button, button start. So I had to go, get the car towed, or the guy came to whatever, fix the battery, gets me a new battery. And I said, what happened? And he says, how much driving do you do? I said, I don't know, about 8 miles a day, 10 miles a day, if that. And he said, you got to do more than that. I'm like, where am I supposed to go? And he says to me, well, your alternator is not charging the battery. You got to do at least 15 to 20 miles a day. I'm like, okay. So me and Henny go for rides at night to charge the battery. I swear to God, that's what the lunatic told me. You're Vietnamese? Well, very, very nice to meet you. Okay, very nice to meet you. I tell you, the stories of things that happened to me, I can't even tell you. It's hysterical. I will tell you, I'm calling Governor DeSantis tomorrow. That's it. I have his assistant's number. Well, not him, but his assistant's number. My mother gave it to me a long time ago. And just leave the car running. It's not really that good for the car. You don't believe in doctors and mechanics. Okay. I don't think that's true if you leave the car running. I think you have to. I think there's this. I don't know. What the hell? I can't. I'm not a handyman. I just call somebody. That's it. I don't want to deal with it. What was it? Now you got me off track. What I was going to say. Brian, what was I talking about? I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about. All right. What?
Calling DeSantis tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. I'm calling the governor's office tomorrow. Okay. And they got these kids here, Bobby. I don't know if they got them by you in Naples. Okay. They got these kids here now on these electric bikes. Okay. This one kid tonight, another kid, two incidents in a row. These kids, 15 to 16 to 17 years old. Okay. These kids are on these bikes. There's another bull flag on the goal. Just ran 4. Okay. These kids ride around these bikes doing 30 to 35 miles an hour. That's it. I'm done. Oh, Jupiter is very peaceful. You have them too? Oh my God. These kids ride around like they own the streets and they're so disrespectful to people. "17, 18-year-old kids, and these bikes do 30 miles an hour. Unbelievable. I just had to get my car repaired. Cost me $1,100. My blower wasn't working. So I said, "What's going on?" They said, "Oh, you live near the beach?" I'm like, "Well, 6 miles." Like, "Oh, yeah. The metal parts in the blower got all corroded." I go, "Let me see the part." Okay, enough is enough. Please. Let me see the part. Right? We think I'm from the Bronx. I want to see the part. All right. Don't BS me. Right. And I just amazingly, they showed it to me and it was pretty corroded. But I said, "Okay, how'd it get like that?" And they said, "Well, you live near the beach," which is true. I am always down by the beach. And they said the air and the salt and this and that. I don't know. Just fix the damn thing. Leave me alone. Tina is a legend for pulling over and taking the short. Shimya, you're in double secret probation. How could you be late? 1 hour and 15 minutes, Shimya. All right. Is caboose a technical term? First of all, it's spelled Kaboosshed, and I'm in the Urban Dictionary. Okay. Oh, my God. Your father broke his arm 2 days ago? I hope he's okay. Oh, man. I love it down here. A friend of mine called me and said, "When you come to New York?" I said, "Never." "When you come up and visit?" "Never." I'm not going back to that New York City nonsense. Forget it. Insanity. Crazy. What just posted here? What is this? What the hell is this? David's automatic, what is it called? Automatic battery charger? Are you nuts? All right. Are you long S&Ps here?
Yep, still on.
All right. You can make a lower high here. Okay. Because look here. Right. The 15s are rolling over. The MACD negative. So any push-up's going to make a lower high.
Yeah.
Okay. So start scaling out alongs. NASDAQ. Okay. There goes the gold. Another bull flag. Just ran 6. 2 bull flags in gold. Wow. Trickle charger. Is that what they call it? Trickle charger?
Mm-hmm.
Where the bears? They killed my bears. They killed my bears. So normally what happens here, of course, I don't know, maybe Bobby has it as well. We have what's called snowbirds here. People come up from all around, the north and, up north. Obviously, we're in the south, and they come down for the winter. And it's pretty crazy here. It's pretty hectic, I'll tell you, And Dan Jones, come on down, brother. When am I coming to New York? Never. See what I said? Lower high. So now with this pullback, we're waiting for here is off the 15-minute time frame on the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ just dropped, hit the high at 20, just dropped about 65 off the high, right? So wait, what was I just talking about? Jesus. Snowbirds. So Mother's Day is in what? 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 weeks? The 9th, I think. Is it the 9th, Mother's Day? Let me just check.
Yep. The 9th. Oh, the 10th.
The 10th.
It's a Sunday.
It's the 10th?
Yeah, that's a week and a half. I have work to do. I go.
Anyway, what I'm trying to say is that once Mother's Day is over, this place becomes a ghost town. This NASDAQ's going to get a turn up here. It's completely, what? Show what? The NASDAQ on the 15? Right here, Jason. Oh, if I could type. So I don't know if Bobby gets that. I think the people in Naples go back to like Chicago, Oklahoma, Trader Jade, okay? Jupiter, Juno Beach. Look them up. Look at, type in Juno Beach. You think you died and went to heaven. Look at this gold, another bull flag. NASDAQ right back up, S&Ps. So this is what I'm talking about, Jay. You see this right here? Look at the yellow dots. This thing's going to turn right back up. But what may happen first, this turns up, MACD negative, pushes up, gets one more push down, gets this oversold, sets up this nice bull flag. Boom. That's too much of a pull. Hold on one second. You get this little pullback here, maybe down to 55.60, and then boink, right back up like that. Right? All right. Yeah, so probably in about 2 weeks, I'll be driving down Donald Ross, and it'll be me and about maybe, 30 cars, if that. This morning, it looked like the Daytona 500 out there. Okay? It's just unbelievable. All right. We're going to do the raffle tonight. I think we're going to do it the old way with the numbers. Look at this gold. What another bull flag on the gold. There goes the NASDAQ. Come on. Let's see. Wow, gold just kaboomed. I'll be flat the NASDAQ. I think you're going to get one more push down. Just Google Juno Beach, Juno Beach. I am. I'm in the Urban Dictionary. The word cabooshed, Kabooshhed. I have the definition right here. My friend Ian submitted it. And it says, when a stock and or a security has reached an overbought condition, peak price, or it's otherwise hit with news so significant that a sell-off occurs, causing a drop in the price of the security. My name, and here it is, cabooshed. It's in the Urban Dictionary. Jennifer, get in here, Jennifer. Help me out. I'm trying to get mugs for this, though. Oh, I got to give a logo. To Joe. All right.
Oh, it's 2 rows. It's kibosh, I think.
Boy, it's really quiet here. I think I have 4 words in the Urban Dictionary, Lee. Oh, yeah, Donald Ross traffic. I'm telling you, man.
Oh, yeah. There it is.
What? Silver? What?
He's
Caboose.
fact checking your.
It's why would I lie? I don't
I know
lie.
you wouldn't lie. I just
What you think? I'm gonna make this
I
up?
just wanted to go
I'm
see.
in the Urban
I
Dictionary.
just wanted to see it for myself.
I created the word caboose.
You ever look at the Urban Dictionary while you're in there?
I can't believe you found the Stuart Varney thing, though. I hope that's the one I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Oh my! Look at this is my other dog, Coda. Look at my boy.
Beautiful dog.
That's my boy. Daddy loves you. Oh my God.
Who's cuter, Coda or?
I will not.
No, I can't say. No, well, you can't say that. I've had Coda since he's 8 weeks old.
Oh, okay.
You know. Yeah. Look at my Cody there. Look so handsome, my boy. So smart. Loves his daddy. I'll tell you. So did everybody? I got to show you this, right? So if you guys can see this on the big screen, right? We're slow. This is my dog Coda, right? I've had him since he's 8 weeks old, right? Love of my life, right here, right? Now, so let me show you something else here. Hold on a second. I got to show this to you, okay? So, so I'm going to show you this, okay? So I'm home one night after the Asia session, and I'm sitting on the couch at 10:30. And my ex-wife texts me. We're really great friends. And she says to me, and she sends me this picture. Okay. And she sends me this picture right there. Right. So it's late. I'm sitting on the couch. And I said to her, who's Coda licking? And she said to me, that's not Coda. That's a dog that they're going to put down tomorrow. So I pick up the phone. I call her and I said, what are you talking about? She says, that's a dog. I'm on a site. This girl goes and rescues, not rescues, but goes to dogs that are in a kill shelter and posts pictures to try to save them, and hopefully they get adopted. So my exact words after that was, they're not killing that dog. So the next morning I got here and we were on the phone feverishly, calling. Finally got through. We had to do all this paperwork. You'd think I'm adopting 30 kids from Romania, okay? The paperwork. Finally, then I got that done. Then she says, well, you got to come pick them up. I'm like, I live in Florida. She goes, well, we're in Houston. So I said, are you crazy? Right? Brian, remember that day? And then I finally get a woman. She goes, well, there's a whole bunch of people. So I call one after another. Finally, one person goes, oh, I can't get them. I'm full. I said, where, please, I'll send you, I'll sell you some money, right? And she said, it's not the money. I have no room. I said, what's your first name? She says, Shelly. I said, Shelly, come on. I said, how far are you from the place? She goes, literally right across the street. I said, you got to go get this dog. So it was like 11:05, and he's scheduled to be put down at 11:30. She finally, I'm calling her. She calls me. She's okay. I'm going to go, but I hope I'm in time. She goes, she grabs him. She calls me at 11:18. She says, I got him. He was number 6 to be put down. And she grabbed him. So this is my Henny Poo. So that's the story how I got Hendrix. And if it wasn't, and if it wasn't for my ex sending me that picture, right, I would never have been able to right, I would never have been able to save the dog. Right, unbelievable. And I see Papa Trump. I see Lara Trump here. I'm going to tell Lara Trump, because she's big, and I'm going to tell her to tell Papa Trump they got to stop killing dogs in this country. They got to, cats and dogs, right? You got to stop. I mean, you can ask these two. This dog's with me morning, noon, and night. Everywhere I go, if I leave him, he looks like he wants to just, like, eat somebody. But you're a good boy. That was someday. That's the only thing. Oh, like, God, look at this gold rally. That's a true story. Verbatim. My Henny Poo. Yeah. Now we get the GDP and PCE tomorrow. My God, nothing happened. This was a great. Lauren, you see why you take the short? You look for the pullback here. All right. Oh, he gets a lot of loving. You crazy? You have no idea. Right? Lauren, you see what I was trying to look for, the pullback here? Now, what time is it? At 9:30, you may see right now we're at 47. So it'll probably get down to like maybe a 33. And then boink, I think it's going to do that. Okay. So this technically would be the first pullback on the 15-minute time frame after the 30 reverse to buy. Look at this gold. Yeah, 500 up. No, 500 up. Really, about 60 down. He's 60. Yeah, there it goes. S&Ps. I start scaling out longs above 98. NASDAQ. What NASDAQ just ran 15 off the low, right? 15, 16, 17 off the low. Oh my God, gold new highs. Hendricks, he loves Uncle Jeff. That's a true story. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Take care, Bobby. God bless you. I'll give you a call either tonight or tomorrow. Bobby Iacchino. Bobby is one of the great ones. Bobby I. Got to run. Have a good night. I'll call you tomorrow, Bobby. All right. There goes the NASDAQ. There goes the gold. 60-minute. I would take a scalp short, 90.80 to 98.80. Just scalp the short. Now, again, you look at here. 90, go 92 to probably even on the gold. 92.5 to even and a half. Just keep it tight. Because so since that bull flag on gold went from 68.20 to 92.5. Okay. Hendricks is a legend. S&Ps just rallied about 2.5. I want to sign up for what? Also, I did a podcast tonight. You guys should listen to it.
Oh, the gold. Mm-hmm.
Okay, look at the gold drop. You guys, if you want to see a great podcast, Chat with Traders. If you guys go to Chat with Traders, it's on YouTube. Please watch that. It's a great podcast I did. All right. Eat the Shock. Anybody new here? If you want a 5-day free trial, Jason Paul, just text me 914-500-7484. Again, what's your name? NJS. Just text me. I'll talk to you after the close. Gold going to 4,600? Most likely. NASDAQ just ran 20. So Jane Bond. Bear flag NASDAQ? No. NASDAQ I just called along. Just ran 20. Jason Paul, thank you. NJ, if you like a 5-day free trial, Hello, Vladimir. Where the hell you just got to the dance? Oh my God! Two beautiful bull flags in gold tonight. Two beautiful bull flags. Absolute Picasso. Where's Christopher? Oh. $914-500. Yeah, I didn't cancel my 914-500-7484. Okay. Stay calm during the gold rip. You're just trying to scalp shorts, look for pullbacks. What was that?
You see something?
Gold, you could look to cover. I'm going to need gold between the 89 and 91 range. He does love Uncle Jeff. I know you're late. Late is an understatement. Izzy Lizzy, wow. Oh, really? You gave you? Oh, look at this NASDAQ. Look at these S&Ps. Woo! NASDAQ's up 30. That was a Picasso. I told you, this is the first pullback on the 15, right? Kaboom. Where's the bull? Where's the bull? Really dropping. Beautiful. So basically, look for the pullback on the 15 after the 30 reverse to buy. Kaboom. Hey, get back. Nice short on the gold, right down. I told you NASDAQ will make a lower high. S&Ps will make a lower high, right? So now the next pullback on the 5-minute will set up the great long on the 15. Okay? That's how that strategy works right there. Boom. Hey. Absolute Picasso. Next! Oh. Kabooshed. NASDAQ. Oh, my God. The guy who just bought 92.5s in gold, he just jumped. Look at the NASDAQ just dropped 30. I told you. See the negative MACDs here? Should have taken the short. I told you, you can get one more push-up. Christopher Pac-Man. You see that? Oh, my God. Look at this gold down 9. Wow. Oh, my God. Stay calm. Shimya, God bless you, brother. Well, it's, oh, my God, S&Ps. There goes oil. Gold caboose. Where's the bear? NASDAQ just dropped 35. Love this game. Christopher, you see the negative MACDs? I said any push-up's going to make a lower high. And I didn't call the short into the negative MACD, but whatever. I had the gold short, though. That was good. Right? They call me the freeze. I keep blowing down the road. Mr. Freeze, I hope you got short above the 27,615. Oh, yeah, they call me the freeze. Schultze, get in there. Are you crazy? What the hell is that? Is that Henny? He just barreled me right over. Good job, Schultze. Schultze, check your email tomorrow. I might go to California. Might go down to Georgia. I don't know. Oh, well, they call me the breeze. Oh my God, what a cabooshin. Gold was a great, yep. Excuse me. Okay. Excuse me. Thank you. Trading while the world sleeps. Oh my God.
Bless you.
MyFundedFutures. Thank you, ICT. Thank you. Thank you. Now remember, tomorrow I'll be on the MyFundedFutures TV from 10:30 to 11:30. Okay? Yes, sir. Thank you, Andrew. Let's go, baby. Oh, what happened, Daddy? Come in. Where's your father? Your father loves you. Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? He's so good, my boy. The days of anybody hurting that dog are over. OVA. Over. All right. We got the raffle in 10 minutes. I'm so pumped. I got my numbers in my head. Hope you guys signed up. He's right behind me. He got Xanax. Tyler trades. Why are you not taking trades at night? Come on. I know, right? Thank you, Joseph Shimya. Oh, Monday night I wanted to strangle him. I couldn't take it. Every 2 minutes he was sniffling.
I got my Zyrtec.
He's on Zyrtec, Xanax, whatever he's on. Xanax, Zyrtex, I can't remember, whatever he's on, he's
I
on.
hope I'm not on Xanax.
Why is gold down 9 brutal? We were calling shorts. Head and Shoulders. That's a where Head and Shoulders. That's a shampoo, Head and Shoulders. You know what's really funny, right? So I bought this book once because just for complete curiosity, right? Flonase is good. So that was a beautiful pullback. So you want the pullback. The 60s is going to be, you want to buy the long when it pulled down to 81.5, but it happened quite fast. Oh, look at the oil drop. Come on, oil. Oh my God. I can't tell you how many people have been trading oil now. I can't tell you. It's amazing. I love it. S&P, that pullback, NASDAQ and S&Ps, this should be the pulled the pullback for the 15. Now, when the gold dropped down to 81.5, that pullback technically could be the pullback I was looking, but I was looking for the indicator 3 to get oversold. Okay. Can I explain what? Why I called the higher low? I didn't call a higher low. I called the pullback to get long, Jonathan. Oh, I want to see this oil at 115. I want those USOs to 163. I'll short. Oof, what else short? It's either that or I'll buy like a 500,000, or I'll maybe no, realistic. I'll probably buy like 50 to 200,000 SCOs at like 560. You notice how, again, the troubling thing with this market, okay, the mindset's everything. You're allergic to drawdown in gold. You just signed up for the raffle. The raffle, you could not. There's no way you could sign up for the raffle. I already got my numbers in my head. Let's see how many participants we have right now. All right. All right. And again, before we start the raffle, I just want you to know that if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone number, which is 914-500-7484. All right. Hi, Harriet. Thank you. Harriet, if you want to text me, you can get a 5-day free trial to my cell phone. Full name and email. If you like, thank you very much. That's very nice. I don't have sniffles. Oh my God, this 15s are going to turn up. This NASDAQ, anywhere between the 35 or 37 to 67 range. I told you you're going to get one more push down, right? Right? Got to 92. I said you're going to get one more push down. The overbought into the negative MACD. All right. Good luck tonight on the raffle, everybody. Good luck. Good luck. 15 minutes to start setting up here on the NASDAQ. S&Ps, you can look to go long 89.5, 94.5 range. Yeah, somewhere in the 60s here. You got to scale in every 10 points. I would look to scale in. ICT trades, let's go. Oil Oil's not dropping. Oil's still above 107. And I'm going to give you some more information, hopefully in the next couple of days, regarding this big Vegas boondoggle. Oh, it's going to be awesome. Oh, my God. I really love to meet so many of you. I hope you all can attend. It's going to be awesome. Diego, you're killing me with a capital K. 89.5, 94.5. You're killing me. All right. I'm doing something with Austin on on what day am I doing it on? Friday, May 15th in Tampa, I believe. All right, you guys ready for the Jennifer? You ready, Jennifer? So a lot of people blew up my phone here. If you guys want the 5-day free trial, okay, please text me. Indicator 3 is my overbought oversold oscillator. If you guys want the 5-day free trial, please text me. We start it every Monday. Okay. You just text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. We had an amazing day today. Good Lord. Thank the good Lord. All right. Where's Denny? Denny, can you text me how many people we have here tonight? I'm going to call the numbers out. Let's see. Jennifer, you ready? I can't see. Can anybody see the number? Jennifer, can you see the number? How many people we have? 410. Wow. Am I calling out the name? Am I calling out the name? Oh, okay, I'm going to call out the name. All right. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. Number. Where am I here? Number 11. One of my favorite numbers. Number 11. That is Jack Skelton Official. Jack Skelton Official. Is he here? Jack Skelton Official. Wow. Congratulations. Number 410. Number 410. Number 410 is Cody YTRP91. Cody. Is Cody here? Okay. Is Cody here?
Cody YRP91.
Yep.
Yeah, here.
Congratulations. That's 2. Number 311. 311. I love this game. I feel like I'm on morphine. Aman underscore Huda. Aman underscore Huda. Aman. No. Aman underscore. No. Going once. No. Amana. We're on a 10-second delay.
There they are.
Congratulations. Jesus, how do you see that?
I've got it up beside the chart.
99. Number 99. Number 99. Number 99. Cash. Cash. Number 99. Cash. Cash. Number 99. Cash. Number 99. No? No cash?
Cash. Facebook.
K-A-S-H? Is he here?
Here. TD5JE.
No, it's just cash.
Money sign.
That's, is he here? 178. 178. Oh my God. He finally won. In Maguna trade. Oh my God. I'm playing the Powerball tonight. Mguna trade. Congratulations. This guy always says, I never win, I never win, I never win, I never win. Oh my God.
Hold on, though. Did he say here?
Is he here? Jennifer, is he here?
Yes, there he is. I'm gonna trade. Right.
Oh my God. I'm so happy for him. Oh my God. Yesterday and the day before, he kept on saying, I never win, I never win, I never win. You are your one. What the hell do I know? I picked you out. I don't know. It's God's will. All right. All right. Let's go 225. 225. 225. What? What happened?
He's talking shit.
Joyce Fernandez 714. I don't see these names. Joyce Fernandez 714. Joyce Fernandez. Is he here?
Yes, Joyce.
Joyce, congratulations. That's number 6. All right. Let's go 375. 375. 375. We'll just run it up here a little bit here. Profit per tick. Profit. Look at these NASDAQ go. Look at them go. Profit per tick. What'd I tell you, DL? 94.5. Profit per tick, Jennifer. Get in there.
That was nice.
Profit per tick is here.
Congratulations. How many is that, Jennifer? That's 7. Let's go. Let's go 25. 25. Call me the breeze. 25. The juice bag. The juice bag. The juice bag. That was the low, Diego. 94.5, Baba. Okay. The juice bag. The juice bag. Sorry, the juice bag.
They're here.
No, I don't look at the numbers. I have no idea. Let's go. Did we do 2s? We did 2s. We did 3s. Let's go 401. 401. 401. 401. What is that? Lilac Rima? Lilac Rima? Lilac Jennifer? Lilac Rima? Lilac Reamer?
Lilac Reamer's here.
Oh, that's 9. Congratulations. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. I need my lucky numbers here. 111. 111. I'm in 2 NASDAQ. Good job. 111. Who's 111? DigiCap. Oh my God, Digi. Digi's here every night. DigiCap. Is Digi here? Digi. Can't you see? Sometimes
Your words just hypnotize.
words just hypnotize me. DigiCap here, Jennifer? That's 9 if he's here.
DigiCap 1 is here.
He's here? All right. All right. All right. Last number. let's go.
Even that's 10. That's 10.
That's 10?
That's 10.
Oh, okay. That's 10. Sorry. Okay, I apologize. All right. All right. All right. Well, anyway, thank you, Denny. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you to all of you. I hope you had a good night. That was a great long there. I told you these 15s are going to turn up, but I'll see you tomorrow night during the MyFundedFutures special here tonight. And again, tomorrow night. And again, from 10:30 to 11:30, I will be on the MyFundedFutures television. Okay, tomorrow live. Also, thank you, Jennifer. If anybody wants a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. I'll give you more update when it comes about the Vegas boondoggle. Hopefully everybody will show up. Okay, honey, we're going home soon. And again, I want to just thank everybody. God bless you, right? God bless our troops, and God bless the United States of America. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wit got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.